give it up for our public school teachers. I want to practice a new chant. So I'm going to say the peoples, and you're going to say house. All righty? The peoples. The peoples. The people. So we are proud to host you at what should have been in the past, but what is today, the People's House in Jersey City. Jersey City. It is because it is workers and immigrants who built Jersey City, but for too long, the powers that be have not served workers and immigrants. They have served the wealthy, developers, and corporations, and we are here to change that. So we're going to go and take on those who already have so much. So one of our very first acts as a mayor was to sign executive order auditing the big developers in Jersey City who have received millions upon millions of tax breaks, but who we know do not pay their workers a living wage. We said very clearly, in this New Jersey City, you must pay the people who work the wages they deserve, to have dignity, to have good health care, and to have good benefits. And that is why we do not take their donations, because they have corrupted the political system for too long. And it's why our next executive order was to protect immigrants here in Jersey City. And to say something very clearly, ICE out! ICE! 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 We made it very clear, not a single cent of Jersey City's resources, not a single employee will be used to aid ICE in their attempts to terrorize the people of this city, of this state, and of this country. And we thank the groups like Make the Road that put their bodies on the line to protect each other. And the message is, in America's Golden Door, we will always have the backs of our immigrant neighbors. And it's why we are proud to partner with our friends, the coalition that brings together our environmental movement and labor, to say to those big corporations, you have polluted the future for our children, and you must pay. You must pay. I teach I got kids, they're 8, 4, and 6, 8, 6, and 4. They break something, they gotta fix it. They spill something, they gotta clean it up. It is the most basic parental lesson that you teach a young child. And yet the billionaires who think they run this country think they are exempt from those rules. They think they can pollute our rivers, they can pollute our air, poison the very environment that we live in, and then make us pay for it. So, what we're gonna say very clearly is, I'm gonna say make polluters and you say pay. Make polluters pay. Make polluters pay. Make polluters pay. And we know that our friends in Trenton are going to get the job done this June and pass the Make Polluters Pay Act. So we will never forget our obligation here to fight on the national level, to fight against the fascist president whose entire mission is to take from those who work, to put money in either his pocket or his billionaire friends' pockets. So we will fight at the federal level, but we know that's not enough. We need to make sure that the state of New Jersey lives up to its progressive ideals, and that the city of Jersey City truly is a city for the people, and where those who work, where those who have immigrated to our country feel comfortable in the halls of power, because they are the ones with power. I want to thank all my colleagues on the City Council. We have a City Council that is truly committed to the people of this city, that has been a leader, that is going to push for the right policies. So give it up for our Jersey City City Council. And give it up for all of you, labor on May Day, because it is you who have built the things that have built dignity in our society. You have built a living wage, healthcare benefits, and without the power of unions and labor, the billionaires would be even richer. So today we recommit to the fight to make sure that our country, our state, and our city are fighting on behalf of the people. Thank you so much. Now it is my honor to bring up to the microphone a true labor champion, somebody who has been on the front lines here in Jersey City. And as many of you know, we have a group of billionaires who think that their profits are more important than people's health care. and who think that a hospital should be luxury housing. That's right, that deserves a lot of boos. We have had our leaders on the city council fighting against these atrocious acts and these atrocious actors, and they have been joined by champions in labor. And the workers, the nurses who are being laid off, who are being abused, and who are being mistreated are represented by the union of HPAE. And HPAE has been fighting each and every day to protect their workers, but more importantly to protect health care in the heights of Jersey City so that all of us continue to have access, because this fight isn't just about the profits that these people are trying to take in, it's about life or death in our community. Because when a hospital closes and you have to wait another 15 minutes in traffic to get to an emergency room, that may be the difference between survival and death. So we take that with the utmost seriousness, and the partner who has been fighting side by side, fighting for the nurses here in Jersey City and across the state, is the HPAE president, Deb White. Give it up for Deb!